Hi there and welcome to Aimco, where we help factory workers avoid injury and work smarter by guiding them to the best lifting solution. Today I'll demonstrate for you an easy way to transfer gas tanks weighing up to 50 pounds from a work surface to a shipping rack. So first we'll guide the tool down into place. We'll bring the top pads and the front locator pad into place to the tank. Hit the clamp button and you're safe to lift. As you'll notice, we have a vertical slide handle. This will keep the operator in a nice comfortable position during operation. And we also have a two-hand safety release. You can't simply press the release button and drop the part. Now press the toggle switch to rotate the tank into rack position. We'll guide the tank into the rack, lower it into position, bring the common trigger in and hit the release button at the same time to release. Now you can raise the torque lift up and remove the tool. Well, thank you for watching, and remember, if you need a lifting tool and don't buy it, you'll ultimately pay for it and not have it. Start the process today by going to aimcomfg.com and click the Get Quote button. Thanks for watching.